Welcome or welcome back. This is Aya. I have another oldie but goldie video that is really dear to my heart because it combines two of my favorite things, making mixed media paper and creating flowers. Here I am creating a mixed media page. I'm using a Lendy Stamp Gang watercolor powders which activate beautifully when you add water. The colors are so intense and vibrant. I have got my glass mat ready along with the scraps of watercolor paper, and I am smooshing the paper onto the mat to absorb all those gorgeous colors. It gives such an organic look. Once everything is dry, I bring in my flower dies from different brands, along with some text stamps. I'm going to heat emboss all these scripts designs using metallic embossing powders, just randomly for that imperfectly perfect look. After I finish embossing, my simple mixed media paper is ready. Of course, you can always add more layers, paints, textures, stenciling, or tissue papers, whatever your heart desires. Next, I place all my flower dies on top of the paper and run them through my die cutting machine. Look at these beautiful paper flowers. To shape them, you have two options, or maybe more. One, you can use that shaping tool I have. I can't remember the exact name, but it's basically a flower pressing tool. Or you can check out my other video where I share several flower shaping methods. And here is a little tip: spray your paper with some water first to soften the fibers. It makes shaping much easier, especially if you are using heavy paper like watercolor or mixed media paper. After shaping, I added a little liquid glue to the centers, sprinkled some chunky silver glitter, and finished with gemstone in the middle. And look how gorgeous they turned out. Now you have got beautiful flower embellishments ready to decorate your project. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time with, don't worry, it will be a new video.